Hello everyone, this is me, Pratik. Today we will be solving a GFG problem of the day. The problem name is a two sum pair with given sum. In this problem statement, we have given an array of positive integers and another integer target. We have to determine if there exists two distinct index such that the sum of their element is equals to target. So if you look into the example given, so here the target is 16, and if we see, if we take array of 3 and array of 4, that is 6 plus 10, which is giving us 16. Okay, and if you look the second example, in this we have given a target 11, and if we combine any two element, that is not making the sum 11. So for that we are just returning false. Okay. So if the constraint of the question is given as 10 to the power 4 or lesser, then we can just use a brute force approach for any square and it will work. But now the constraint are given as 10 to the power 5, so we have to think of an approach which is somewhat n log n or big O of n. Okay, so now if you look into this question, so what we are doing is we are just traversing. Okay, we are traversing to 1. Okay, we are traversing to 4, we are traversing to 45, we are traversing to 8, we are traversing to 6, we are traversing to 8, and for every element we will search that if target minus the current element is already came or not. So let's suppose first we write a brute force solution. Okay, of so here what we are doing is for every element I, array of I, we are traversing the left, and we are checking that if there exists any array of j, and combining them it is making a target. Okay, so if it exists we are returning true. Okay, so now we will think how we can optimize this step so that we won't be using that particular another loop which is making a time complexity as n square. Okay, so in this what we are doing, we are just doing somewhat we are doing array of till I dot find target minus array of I. Okay, we are doing this step in from the loop. Okay, so what we can do is we can take an help of a map or a set, and we are storing the elements of the left hand side. Okay, so and now we will check that if array target minus array of I in S or not. If it is present in the S, then we can just return true. Okay, otherwise if we didn't find, we are just returning false. Okay, let's try to run it. Let's try to submit it. So it is working fine. So here we are just traversing and we are storing the elements from the left hand side. Okay, so for every target we are checking that if target minus array of I is present in the left hand side or not. If it is present, we are just returning true. If it is not, after the loop we are just returning false. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.